guys. I'm getting there.
I love everything, and sometimes I've got to. I'm lucky to have been around some folks I think are cool. But of all these lovely options, I have to choose from. When I think what makes me happiest, there's only one. You're my favorite. You're my favorite. You're my favorite. You're my favorite. I can't help that I love you the most, just the way that it goes. Oh yeah, you're my favorite. You're my favorite. You're my favorite. You're my favorite. Like black tea that's in need of honey, you do it for